Do you ever feel like your paycheck just isn't enough anymore? Like every time you fill your gas tank or buy groceries, your wallet feels lighter than ever? You're not alone. The truth is, 2025 is a turning point. Jobs are changing faster than ever. AI, automation, and global shifts mean that relying on just one income is riskier than it's ever been in history. But here's the good news. Never before have there been so many profitable side hustles you can start right now. Most without a degree, without big investments, and without quitting your job. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 side hustles in 2025 that are proven to make $1,000 or more per month. I'll break them down step by step, show you how to start, what to avoid, and share examples of people just like you who turned their free time into financial freedom. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly which side hustle fits you best and how to get started today. The problem: why side hustles are no longer optional. Let's get real for a moment. Why even bother with a side hustle? Isn't one job enough? Here's the reality. According to studies, the average cost of living in 2025 has risen nearly 20% compared to just 5 years ago. At the same time, AI and automation are cutting down traditional jobs. Whole industries are shifting. Imagine this. You've worked at the same company for 10 years, but one email suddenly announces a restructuring. Overnight, your steady paycheck is gone. Now what? This isn't fear-mongering, it's happening everywhere. But here's the flip side. While traditional jobs are shrinking, digital opportunities are exploding. Today, anyone with a laptop or even just a smartphone can tap into global markets. You can offer services, sell digital products, or even let AI tools do 70% of the work for you. But, and this is important, not all side hustles are worth your time. Some are scams, some pay pennies, and some will burn you out. That's why I created this list of the top 5 side hustles for 2025, the ones that are profitable, sustainable, and future-proof. Side hustle number 1, AI-powered freelancing. First on our list is AI-powered freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are booming. But here's the twist. Clients aren't just hiring people, they're hiring people who know how to use AI tools effectively. Example, meet Sarah from Texas. She started using ChatGPT to help businesses write social media posts. She wasn't a professional copywriter, but with AI, she could deliver high-quality content in half the time. Within 6 months, she was making an extra $2,000 a month on Fiverr. Here's how to start. Pick a service that businesses need: copywriting, graphic design, or video editing. Learn 1 or 2 AI tools that supercharge your results: ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for images, Canva for design. Create a strong profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Don't just say, "I write blogs." Say, "I create AI-optimized blog posts that drive traffic." What not to do. Don't rely only on AI outputs. Always add your human touch: editing, creativity, and personalization. That's what clients pay for. Prescription. Use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. AI handles the heavy lifting, and you deliver polished, valuable results. That's how you stand out. Side hustle number 2, digital products and online courses. Second, let's talk about digital products and online courses. The e-learning market in 2025 is projected to hit over $400 billion. Why? Because people want quick, affordable ways to learn skills without expensive degrees. Example, Mark, a fitness enthusiast, turned his 30-day workout plan into a $29 ebook. He sold it through Gumroad and TikTok ads. He now makes around $1,200 a month while still working his day job. You don't need to be an expert with 20 years of experience. You just need to know more than the beginner. How to start. Identify a problem you've solved or a skill you've learned. Turn it into a digital product. an ebook, template, or mini course. Sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Udemy. Use social media to promote it. Short videos on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube work best. What not to do. Don't try to make a 50-hour course on your first try. Start small. A 10-page guide can sell if it solves a specific problem. Prescription. Focus on results, not length. People will pay for shortcuts and solutions, not fluff. Side hustle number 3. Content creation and monetization. Third, let's talk content creation. Now, before you roll your eyes, yes, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are crowded. But here's the secret. Niche plus consistency beats virality. Example, Jenny, a 32-year-old accountant, started a TikTok account sharing 60-second tips on saving money. She grew to 50,000 followers in 6 months and now makes over $1,500 a month from sponsorships and affiliate marketing. How to start? Pick a niche you enjoy. Finance tips, fitness, tech, parenting, even hobbies like gardening. Commit to a posting schedule. 1 video a day on TikTok or 2 videos a week on YouTube. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships once you build an audience. What not to do? Don't chase trends blindly. Your content needs to be sustainable long-term. Prescription. Think of content like planting seeds. Each video is a seed that grows over time. The more you plant, the bigger your forest of income becomes. Side hustle number 4. E-commerce and print on demand. Fourth is e-commerce and print on demand. In 2025, platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon have made it easier than ever to sell without holding inventory. Example, Alex, a college student, started selling funny t-shirt designs through Printful and Etsy. He didn't buy a single shirt up front. Customers ordered, Printful printed and shipped, and Alex pocketed the profits. Within months, he was making $1,000 to $1,500 a month. How to start? Create simple designs. Use Canva or hire freelancers. Upload them to print-on-demand platforms. Market on TikTok, Instagram, or even Reddit communities. What not to do? Don't just copy generic quotes. Focus on niche audiences. For example, cat lovers, gamers, nurses. Prescription. Go niche, not broad. The smaller the audience, the more loyal and profitable they become. And finally, side hustle number 5, remote consulting and coaching. Here's the thing. If you've solved a problem, someone out there is willing to pay you to guide them. Example, Maria, an HR professional, started coaching people on how to ace interviews. She charges $100 for a 1-hour Zoom call. With just 10 clients a month, she adds $1,000 extra income working from home. How to start? Identify what people ask you for advice on. Package it into a coaching session or consulting offer. Use LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or TikTok to find clients. What not to do? Don't overpromise. Be clear about what you can and cannot deliver. Prescription. Position yourself as a guide, not a guru. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be one step ahead of your client. World vision. The 2 paths. Now imagine this. It's December 2025. On one path, you're still working your 9 to 5, stressed about bills, wishing you had started something. On the other path, you've built a side hustle that brings in $1,000, maybe $2,000 every month. That money gives you options, freedom to travel, save, invest, or just breathe easier. The choice is simple, but the time is now. In 2025, side hustles aren't just extra money. They're safety nets, stepping stones, and sometimes even the gateway to full financial freedom. The only question is, will you start today? If you found value in this video, drop a comment with the side hustle that excites you most. Don't just watch, take one small action today. Open an account on Fiverr, sketch an ebook idea, or record your first TikTok. Progress beats perfection. And if you want more videos that guide you step by step toward financial freedom, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because in this channel, we don't just talk about the future, we prepare for it.